morning, students. Yesterday we solved exercise 3 question number 1 using easy addition, and today we will solve question 2 and 3. Let's see what is question number 2. In question number 2 we have to do estimate the sums and tick the correct answer. First we will know what is estimating sum. Estimating a sum is getting a rough idea of what the result is without actually doing calculation. Means we will not do actual calculation whether it is addition or subtraction. We will take rough idea of the answer and then we will compare. What is given question A part? Two numbers are given to add and it is asked, answers are given. Two answers are given, one is wrong and one is right. We have to find right answer. Question is given, two numbers we have to add, and what the question? Estimate the sums. Means we will take out rough idea, estimating first number, estimating second number, then we will add, then we will see answer will come 6000 and actual answer after addition will be greater than of 6000 or less than 6000. We will find out. Let's learn how we will check. We have two numbers, 3189 and 3000. We will take rough idea what will be the value in thousands. 3000s, the highest place is 1000. So you will check to near which is the number is lying, 3000 or 4000. 3000. So rough idea or guess idea of answer 3000. Rounding of number we are doing here. 3000 exact number is given. Now here we find actual addition and here we find estimated sum. Estimated sum is 600, 3 plus 3 is 6 and other are zeros. Now we will find actual addition. 9 plus 0 is 9, 8 plus 0 is 8, 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now which number is greater, actual sum or estimated sum? This is actual sum and this is estimated sum. $6,189 is greater than 6,000. So our answer is greater than 6,000. What we will take? First option we will take. Again I am telling, we have given question with their answers. To tally, we will solve a question according to the question. What is question? Estimate the sums and tick the right options. Options are given. So how we will do? 3189 we will estimate, we will take or we will guess idea of this number nearest to the 1000. 3000 we will write value 3000 and 3000 guess idea is also 3000. No other digit at back, 3 zeros are here. So guess value of 3000 is 3000. Now we will add estimated value and actual. Now after addition we will compare both the values. Actual addition is greater than estimated sum. So we have solved. Now we will tick the answer that estimated sum of these two numbers will be greater than 6000. Hope you understand. Let's take B part of same type. We have two numbers 4300 plus 1500. First, we see answers. What are givens? Greater than 5000 and less than 5000. We are given two options. We will find which option is right. For that, what we will do? First, we take guess idea of first number, guess idea of second number. What we do in estimating sum? Getting rough idea of what the result is without actual doing calculation. We don't do calculation. We take an idea that to near which it lies 4000. Nearest value. Nearest value of 4300 in 1000 is 4000. And nearest value of 1500 is 1000. Now, if we add estimated value, then we get rough idea of sum. This is rough idea of our actual sum. Now, we do actual sum. And in another way, we can do without actual sum. See, 4300 is greater than 4000 and 1500 is also greater than 1000. So their sum. So 4300 plus 1500 is greater than 4000 plus 1000, which is 5000. Means their estimated value is greater than their estimated value, which is 5000. Means our right answer is, means their estimated sum will be, their actual sum will be greater than 5000. So right option is 5000. Sorry. We can do in both methods. We can add also, then we can compare. Now see which value is greater. $5,800 is greater than 5000 if we compare these two numbers. So our right answer is A, upper option, that this estimated sum of these is greater than 5000. Let's take one more example. C part. 320 plus 610. Options are given: greater than 900 or less than 900. We have to take a guess idea of actual answer without doing calculation, that what will be the sum. If we add these two numbers, then we will get sum. We will check our sum will be greater than 900 or our answer will be less than 900. Then how we will solve? 320, guess idea of 320, nearest value 300. 610, guess idea of 610 is 600, means nearest 100 we will see 600 it will be nearest to 600. Now actual addition. This is actual addition and estimated addition. Okay, now we will add. This is 900 and this is 930. So we will compare now. Which value is greater, 930 or 900? 930 is greater. So our answer will be greater than 900. So we will take upper option. Hope you understand question number 2. Let us solve question number 3. Guess the missing addends. A part 200 plus answer will be 600. What value we will add in 200 to get 600? As both the numbers having 2 zeros in end, so we will see what to add to 2 to get 6. 4, 2 plus 4 will be 6. So 4 will come here. So 4 and 2 0 in end. Because both the numbers having 2 zeros, so 4 will be having 2 zeros. In this way, we will guess the missing number or missing addend. The numbers which we add are called addends, and after addition, we get answer that we call sum. Let's take B part. 400 plus. Now, 4 is followed by 2 0 and 8 is also followed by 2 zeros. We will take an idea that what we add 4 to get 8. 4 plus 4 8. So here 400 will come. In this way we find missing addend. Let's take one more part. First addend missing. Second addend is given and answer is given, means sum is given. Now 2 zeros in the last, 1 is here, 1 is here. So 1 plus 1 will give 2. So what will come here? 1 followed by 2 0 means 100. In this way we'll find missing addend. Hope you understand question 2 and question 3 of exercise 3. Now you will solve, you will do your practice rest of the parts. Have a nice day. Bye bye.